To replace the lower chute on the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder, you will need a 7/16" wrench and socket, a 3/8" socket, a 1/2" wrench, and both channel lock pliers and needle nose pliers. With the chute in the locked position, place a towel at the bottom of the chute to prevent the chute mounting bolts from falling into the impeller housing. Reaching into the chute, use the 7/16" wrench to secure the bolt. Then use the 7/16" socket to unthread the nut. Repeat for the second nut and bolt. With the bolts removed, you can pull the lock rod out to fully release the upper chute. With the upper chute assembly detached, you can use the 7/16" wrench and socket to uninstall the nuts and bolts to release the hinge. Use the channel lock pliers to compress the lock rod spring. Then use the needle nose pliers to pull out the retaining pin. Slide off the washer and spring and remove the rod. Next, use the 7/16" wrench and socket to remove the two nuts and bolts, securing the lower chute to the support. Use a 3/8" socket to unthread the bolts securing the support to the base and set the support aside. Now use the 1/2" wrench to fully unthread the two upper mounting nuts, securing the chute to the impeller housing. Loosen the lower nut, and you can lift off the old chute. To install the new lower chute, slide it onto the lower mounting bolt behind the washer and nut, then align it on the upper bolts. Slide the washers onto the upper bolts, then rethread and tighten all of the nuts. Before you reinstall the support, confirm the washers are on the mounting bolts. Align the support on the base, then thread and tighten the bolts to secure. Insert the two bolts which secure the lower chute to the support. The shorter bolt goes in the front. Slide the washer onto the rear bolt, Then thread and tighten the nut. Thread and tighten the nut on the front bolt. Reinstall the lock rod by inserting it through the hole in the lower chute. Slide on the spring and washer, then insert the rod through the opposite hole. Now compress the spring enough to insert the retaining pin into the rod. Position the hinge on the outside of the lower chute, then secure it with the nuts and bolts. Align the upper chute on the lower chute, making sure the lock rod is snapped into place. Place the towel back in the lower chute to prevent the bolts falling into the impeller. Insert the 2 mounting bolts from inside the chute. Then thread and tighten the nuts. Remove the towel, and the chipper shredder should be ready for use.